Hey friends, if you encounter the error maintenance in progress message on Windows Action Center, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator in the right pane to open the registry editor window. Now navigate to this key, H key local machine, software, Microsoft, Windows NT, current version, schedule and maintenance. We have to navigate to it on the list on the left hand side. Then in the right pane, you will create a dword 32-bit value named maintenance disabled. Very easy to remember, maintenance disabled. Right click, new dword 32-bit value, maintenance disabled. Double click on it, change the value data to 1, hit enter, restart your computer. Now maintenance will be disabled and this maintenance in progress message in the Windows Action Center will be gone, and it will also ease out on the background process associated with it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you better. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.